Welcome to computer coding class. Today our topic is union of two data frames. Here we will join two data frames vertically using concatenation function of Python Pandas. Here second data frame will be appended at the end of first data frame and then delete duplicate rows. Let's start the programming. First of all, import Python Pandas. Here we will create two data frames using data dictionary. So first of all, we will have to create two dictionary. Here I am creating records of different employees. So here I am using only two fields. First one is employee number and second is employee name. You can add other fields like job, salary, city also. Second field is e-name, means employee name. I am inserting records of 5 employees: Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Sita, Gita. Like these all are employees. After creating dictionary, now I will convert this dictionary into data frame. df1 equal to pd.dataframe. Here df1 is our first data frame. Next I will print this data frame df1. This is only for checking purpose. Now we will run program. You can see we have successfully created first data frame using data dictionary. Now we will create second data frame. In second data frame, I am also inserting 5 records. Here I am duplicating one record of Ram. In this way we have successfully created two data frame. Now we will run the program or check whether both two data frame created accurately. These are two data frame, accurate data frame. Now we will concatenate these two data frame and create a third data frame, that is df3. df3 equal to pd.concat parenthesis bracket data frame 1 comma data frame 2. Now we will print data frame 3 and then run the program. Here you can see both the data frame appended. Second data frame is appended at the last of first data frame, but here in index you will see that index is not proper. To make a proper index, we will add another command, that is ignore index, ignore underscore index equal to true. Now we will run the program. Here now index is in ascending order, proper index we have got. But here in employee number you can see data not ordered properly. So we will order this third data frame in ascending order. We will sort this data frame in ascending order. To do this we will use Python Pandas function, that is the sort values, df3.sort_values. Here we will add column name, means our attribute name for ordering, sorting of our data frame 3. Here I am using employee number for sorting our data frame 3, and this will create another data frame, that is the data frame 4. Now we will print our data frame 4. Now run the program. Now you can see data frame 3 is sorted in ascending order properly as per employee number. Here you can see two records are duplicate records, that is the RAM record. Now I am making some changes. You can sort data frame 3 itself. There is no need of creating data frame 4. To do this, I will use another function, that is in place, another command in place equal to true, means any changes will be effected on same data frame. Same result we are getting here. There is no need of creating data frame 4 when we use in place function or command. In most of the function you can insert in place command. Now I am sorting this data frame in descending order. To do this, another argument, that is ascending equal to false. By default it is sorted in ascending order, but when we use ascending equal to false, means this data frame will be sorted in descending order. You can see here as per employee number all records are sorted in descending order. Next, our command is to remove duplicate rows records in our data frame, that is the RAM record. To do this, we will use command drop duplicates, duplicates. Here I am also using in place equal to true, so I will not have to create data frame 4. Now we have created our program. Run the program. Now see, this is the resultant third data frame, that is properly ordered, index, and we have deleted duplicate rows. This is the union of two data frame. Thank you.